Hello everyone, and once again welcome back to my channel. And after a really long time making this big video, as you all can see, today we are stepping into the fields to see what tomato farming really looks like, the hard work, the harvest, and everything in between. So stay tuned and come along. Let's explore together real raw experience of tomato farming from the real people, real on-field experiences. So let's stay tuned and let's explore together.
ರೇಟ್ ಏನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಊರೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟ ಐತೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಿತೀವಿ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಲೇಬರ್ಗಳು ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಟೊಮಾಟೊ ಹಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ರೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ರೈತರ ಪಾಡು ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು
ಇವಾಗ? ಇವತ್ತು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬುಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇದು?
ಇವತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟೇ ನಮ್ಗೆ.
ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೆ
ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಲೇಬರ್ಗೆ 400 ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ನಮಗೆ ಲಾಸು ಹೊಲ್ದಾರ್ಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
So yes, this is what the real and raw experiences of people, what they were sharing with us, like what are the prices, current fluctuations in the rate. So overall it was really a very good experience, very raw experience, and this was my first time visiting a field. And yes, if you have really liked our video, please do share, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thank you.